How to set up auto-forward emails in Gmail.
First, open Gmail. In the top right corner, click on the Settings icon and then select See All Settings. Next, go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. In the Forwarding section, click on Add a Forwarding Address. Now, enter the email address where you want your incoming emails to be forwarded and then click Next. Google may ask you to verify this action. Complete the verification and in the Confirm Forwarding Address window, click Proceed. You will see a message saying that a confirmation link has been sent to the email address you entered. Now, sign in to that email account and open the confirmation email from Gmail. Inside the email, click on the confirmation link. A new page will appear asking you to confirm the request. Simply click Confirm. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation success message. Now, return to your original Gmail account and refresh the settings page. You will now see the forwarding options available. By default, forwarding is disabled. Select the second option, Forward a copy of incoming mail to, and from the field next to it, select the forwarding email address we added and verified earlier. Next, select what you want Gmail to do with the original copy of the email. You'll see several options: keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, mark Gmail's copy as read, archive Gmail's copy, and delete Gmail's copy. Choose the option that works best for you. In this example, I'll keep the default option, keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes. And that's all you need to do. From now on, Gmail will automatically forward your new emails to the forwarding email address. Thanks for watching.